Alright guys, that's going to wrap up the first run of the Axial SCX24 Deadbolt. I ran this thing for about a half an hour out here. Still plenty of life left in the battery, and from things that I've read and seen, a lot of guys are getting 45 minutes to an hour on that stock battery depending on your drive style. Figured I'd show you real quick an overall view of the area that I've been running. This is a cow pasture. Kind of goes down into a middle gully where you see the creek there, and it goes back up the other side. I stayed on this side, and these trails here, these cow trails that I was running on, are actually pretty steep, so I was really impressed with how this truck handled it. So stay tuned for more videos on this, guys. If you have any questions, concerns, please drop them in the comments section down below. I appreciate everybody taking some time out of their day to watch my videos. And also, if you've picked one of these up or you're thinking about picking it up, I urge you to check out Steve over at Shen RC. He's got one of these. He's already done a ton of mods to his. Great stuff. Check it out. We'll see you next time, guys.